Hindi ko in-expect this will affect me so much. Kwento ko 'tong experience na 'to. As an artist, it's a gift to be able to see this show. Kita nyo naman, courtyard pa lang, facade, interior ng building, ang ganda na. Ang title ng show ay Van Gogh Inside, Love, Vincent. Isa itong pasilip, it's a glimpse of Vincent van Gogh's life sa pamamagitan ng palitan nila ng liham ng kanyang kapatid na si Theo van Gogh. As you can see, the whole venue is covered, not just 360 degrees, even the floor meron. Kumuha lang ako ng kaunting clips to show you how interactive the show was. Kami yan. Narinig niyo yun? There's a very nice and mellow music, and kumuha sila ng paintings or small elements sa paintings ni Van Gogh. Tapos nilagyan nila ng subtle animation at nilapatan ng malamig na boses ng narration. Talagang all your senses will be happy. At syempre, ang pinakasikat niyang artwork, The Starry Night. Ang ganda, it's magical. Nakaka-touch kasi nabanggit yung challenges kay Van Gogh, and also the unconditional love ng kapatid niyang si Theo na sumuporta sa kanya mula simula, emotionally, financially, hanggang nung nagkasakit pa siya. Teary-eyed ako buong show. Naiyak ako. At ang sabi nga sa kanta, but I could have told you, Vincent, this world was never meant for one as beautiful as you.